In this video, I'll show you how to place a text on top of gallery in Squarespace. Once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to head over to the top bar, and on the left-hand side, simply click on Edit so we can start customizing our website. Now, once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to scroll down to your gallery section. As you can see in here, I have a gallery section. And one thing, or the first thing in which you will observe, is if you hover or click on a gallery section, there is no option to add a block, which is at the top and left corner. You will only see the add block section whenever you hover on a different section that is in a gallery. Now, in order for you to add a text or a caption within a gallery, what you want to do is simply head over to the gallery, and at the top and right hand side, click on Edit Gallery. Now from here, what you want to do is on your images, you want to set a description down below. Now on the right hand side, there is a description option. Now you can say this is a girl holding a flower vase. And you can also add that to multiple images. And once you're done, just simply head over to the top and left corner and click on close. And one thing that you will observe is that the descriptions won't show. What you want to do is enable the captions, and to do that, head over to the top and right corner of the gallery again and click on Edit Section. Now you want to make sure that you are on the Gallery tab, which is the first tab, and once you scroll down, you will see the option for captions. Now on the right hand side, if you toggle this on, you will automatically see that the description of each and every image will be at the very bottom. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.